welcome back to the Littlest Jungle. If you're new here, my name is Brittany, and today I'm going to be going through 3 variegated peace lilies. Lilies, or Spathiphyllum is the scientific name, are one of the plants I recommend for beginners. They're really easy care overall. Water when the top inch of soil is dry, and they like bright and direct light. They can also survive with fluorescent light, although they'll need a little extra help, so if you can give them a grow light, that would be best. They're also really dramatic in terms of water needs. So if you're not sure if it needs water, you can leave it, and the plant will tell you. It'll get wilty, it'll droop, put some water in, an hour later it'll be back to normal. Now today I'm going to be sharing 3 Spathiphyllum or peace lily varieties with you that I think are underrated, less commonly known, that I'm really excited to have in my collection. All 3 of them are variegated varieties. I'm going to start with the more common. This one here is Spathiphyllum Domino, and it has this really beautiful variegation that looks like paint flecks all over the leaves. Sometimes it will have kind of bigger chunks of variegation like here, but still mostly kind of streaky, so it's a really fun one. As you can see, mine is currently in bloom. I do keep all of my Spathiphyllums outside. We're in Southern California, so they do pretty well. The next variety I want to show you is a little bit more unique. This is a Spathiphyllum Platinum Mist. Now what I love about this one is that instead of a really blatant or really obvious variegation, it instead has this really kind of pastel leaf color. You can see here, if I compare it, especially this new one that's just coming out, but even the older ones that are a little bit darker, the leaf color is much lighter overall than even the Domino's leaf color, and really noticeable when it's in a group of standard peace lilies. So that's another fun one. The last one that I'm going to show you is Spathiphyllum Jessica. This one reminds me a lot of a Birkin, Philodendron Birkin, but way cheaper. So if you're in the market for a good variegated plant, don't want to spend the big bucks, this one I highly recommend. As you can see, it has this really dramatic variegation, and just like the Birkin, the leaves are mostly white with some striped green, so it's definitely a keeper. All peace lilies like some warm temperatures, so if you can keep them outside during warmer months, I would suggest you do that, but you want to make sure they're not going to get too much sun. They will burn with a lot of direct sun, especially if it's in the afternoon. So keep it outside if you can. Water when the top inch or so is dry, and you'll get yours to bloom too. That was a nice, quick, easy video just showcasing 3 varieties of Spathiphyllum peace lilies that I really love. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below with which variety is your favorite. Thanks for joining me.